Welcome to how to move an IFX on PC. First, let's reselect the IFX we placed in the scene. You will notice a semi-transparent sphere appear at the origin of your IFX. To reselect your item, aim your cursor at the sphere and then press and release the left mouse button. When an item is selected, it can be moved around the location by moving your mouse. You can use the scroll wheel to control how near or far away your IFX is. To move your IFX away from you, scroll away from yourself. And to move it closer to you, scroll back towards yourself. To change the size of an object, hold down your right mouse button and scroll away from yourself to make it smaller, and towards yourself to make it bigger. To rotate an item, hold down your right mouse button and drag your mouse in the direction you would like to rotate your object. When you're happy with the position of your item, press your left mouse button again to release. To delete an item, click on the three dots next to the transparent circle. Then open your Options tab and click on Delete to remove your IFX. If you want to delete all the IFX you placed in the scene, you can use the Delete IFX options in your menu. To do this, you'll need to open your menu and go to the IFX tab. Then click on the IFX button in the top right corner. This will open a pop-up that gives you the option to delete just the IFX you've personally placed, delete everyone's IFX, or just the IFX that have the shared setting enabled.